Parikshet.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Not so good.
Not so good? Why is that?
Sneezing.
Sneezing. That's okay. Because you drank a lot of cold stuff during your vacations.
I don't have to cancel.
So you are having fun now. Great. So now, this is episode number 23.
24.
23.
24.
It's 23, beta.
24, Papa.
It's 23.
You don't know. Yeah.
So this is the episode number 23 of
23.
6 minutes 100 days challenge. I hope you have been following us. You have been enjoying the drawings that we have been showing in all the last episodes. And do not forget to be till the end of the video to see who got featured in this video's shout out. Okay, let's get started with episode number 22. And since Parikshet is in a superhero attire, we are gonna draw a superhero. What would that superhero be? He's gonna be a superboy. Yeah? Let's get started.
Let's make something related.
Yeah, something related to Parikshet.
Next to Spider-Man.
Yeah. Let's start.
And then the Titan Spider.
Okay. So let's start.
Why are we starting now?
So we start with the face, okay?
This might be a little difficult.
Yeah, a little difficult one. That's the face. The eyes. Yeah, I saw it.
You're right. But I'm making something that you don't even know what you're making.
Let's try it out. The eyes.
Hold on, mate.
Okay. Now, the hairs of the superhero.
Wait, Papa. Wait.
Okay.
Wait, I said.
In the face.
Wait.
What's that? Okay.
Yep, almost done.
The hands. Is this flying superhero?
Guess what? If you can guess what it is.
Flying superboy. That's all. Yeah.
What? Can you give me the eraser?
Mm-hmm.
He's not a flying superboy.
Then what is he?
He is Superman's son.
Superman's son. Okay. What is that?
What?
Don't disturb.
Stop.
What did you do, beta?
I did not know it would work like that. It is. It is it.
Spoiled my drawing.
Ah, that's good. Because you are the nearest point doing.
Let's finish it off.
Wait. Wait, I said.
Okay.
Forgot the years.
That's okay. Finish it off. the other set of hands over here.
Just stop.
Front again.
It said stop. I said stop.
Yeah. Does this look like a superhero?
No, it doesn't.
No problem, it will.
I do not.
And his?
Mine just look like a person.
My superhero sketch is ready. Are you done?
Wait.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you, Parikshet.
My gosh, you sound. Mine is not ready.
Okay.
Stop. I couldn't.
The legs? So,
No. I need to draw legs. What did you do?
legs. So now that we are done with the superhero, how can we miss drawing, sketching a supergirl? A very easy, simple, step-by-step drawing of a supergirl. Let's get started. Do we have some space over here? If not, turn over to the next page and do the sketch.
I don't have.
Let's turn it over to the next page and draw a supergirl.
Drew. Did you already draw?
Okay. Let's draw, sketch a supergirl.
And
What do we
super.
do that? We'll draw a big one this time. That's the mask.
Wait.
Okay.
Please wait.
Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be a little confusing because I'm trying to sketch it. Okay.
Not confused at all right now.
Not confused?
No.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah.
And the ponytail. The flying ponytail. Yeah. The two small eyes. Okay. Now does this look like a mask and a face?
No.
Yeah. And the face. Yeah. Yo. The face is done. Now let's do the flying body.
Wait, please.
Let's wait for Parikshet. Something like this. Yeah. The hands, the belt.
Now this mixed up to episode number 24. Wait, please. I want to see something.
No, bring it over here. That's interesting. There's the Supergirl. A little funny, isn't it?
No.
No? Okay, by the time Parikshet finishes his drawing, let's see this video's shout out.
Big shout out and congratulations to both the YouTube profile and the Instagram profile. Thanks for supporting us. If you want to be featured too, share your drawings on Instagram stories and tag at the Kids Fun Club.
Do not forget to share. Okay, welcome back. Parikshet is almost done. We are almost through with this episode number 23 of the 6 minutes 100
Not
days challenge.
24.
No, this was episode number 23.
Now 24 because they made 2.
No, this is for episode number 23. I hope you're enjoying our drawings. Do not forget to tell us in the comments if you want us to draw anything specific that you want to learn or your kids want to learn. We'll come back in the next video with the episode number 24 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge.
Yes.
Parikshet, are you done?
Almost.
Yo, he's almost done. Let's end this. Parikshet will finish his sketch and we'll share it with you on Instagram. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.